morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. We start our journey from Cebu Mactan International Airport. We took a bus to Hagnayan Port. Unfortunately, we missed the last ferry that day, so I spent the night in Hagnayan Port. The next day morning, I took a ferry to Bantayan Island. We arrived at Santa Fe Port. So right now, we are going to Santa Fe Tourism Office. From there, we took a boat going to Hilantagaan Island. There, we do some snorkeling. After that, we are going to Virgin Island. So get ready. The first thing in the morning, we had a very simple breakfast, which is cost me 200 pesos. We had a lumpia spring roll, egg, beans pork and rice. The food was very simple and good and very tasty. After that, we took a tricycle, went to the Santa Fe Tourism Office. It cost us 30 pesos per person. It is about 10 minutes ride. We reached the office. As usual, before start any tour, we need to register ourselves. We are going to visit totally 4 places, 2 islands, 1 snorkeling spot and 1 lagoon. Since we are doing private tour, it costs us 2000 pesos. Meet Mr. Noah, okay? If you come to this island, please take him out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Today the beach looks like super low tide right now. Our boat parked at 500 meters away from this beach. We are start walking. If you come to Bantayan Island, you can approach any tricycle drivers. They will take you to all the famous spots in the island. It is very safe and doesn't cost you so much. So as far as I can see, there is one more group that is a public tour. They are walking in front of us. Other than that, we are the second group. Another piece of advice, since you are going to walk into the water, you have to be in the swimming suit because you are going to get wet very soon. The people behind me saw the small puddle of water. They go around it. Anyway, you are going to wet, so just walk through the water. It doesn't matter. So you better be in a swimming suit. After 300 meters, finally we reach the water. Me, my brother, doesn't care about anything. Just enjoy the day. Today it looks like cloudy and very windy also. My footage is going to be affected a little bit because of the low sunlight. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Finally we came close to the boat. The waves are too strong from here. It was thrilling when I get into the boat. The boat was very small. Anyway, we are only 2 people and 1 captain and 1 guide. Totally 4 people. This small boat is enough for us. For balancing weight, we both sit down opposite side. One thing I have to tell you guys. Today the sea was very rough. The water was flashing everywhere. If you're carrying electronic things like a drone, you should keep it safely. For my brother, this is the first time going on the small boat and experience the rough sea like this. Whatever the situation, when I'm with my brother, we don't care about much. We always laugh and enjoy the moment. We both enjoy the ride. We came to the snorkeling spot. This place not yet fully grown. Maybe after 5 years, this place will be look much better. Right now, not that much coral. And some more. Today not much sunlight, so the underwater footage is not that great. For me, if you skip the snorkeling, it doesn't affect your holiday because not much going on over here. Look at the island. This is the Hilantagaan Island. The water was crystal clear and very beautiful. Unfortunately, we didn't stop in this island, but I fly my drone over there so I can show you guys how the island look like. In this island, 4,000 people living here, and they have a 24 hours electricity. That is a good thing. At this moment, in this island, there is no restaurant and accommodation. Because of that, we cannot stay over there. This island have a couple of cliff jumping area. There you can see one cliff jumping area with a diving board. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.